Hey everyone, so welcome back to another Prism Caribbean video, and today we'll be wrapping up our topic of functions by doing the completing the square topic, which falls under this. We went through a little bit of this in detail prior, but this here is really about actually working the questions out using the formula. Now, the completing the square formula, I'm just going to give you a slight variation with regards to the given formula here. This will be, let's say, y is equal to a into x minus h. Well, it will be plus h all square plus k. Now, I'm going to give you a slight variation to this, but I will show you why. So, we need to find h and k, right? So we have a is equal to x minus b over 2a all square plus k, which is 4ac minus b square all over 4a, right? So when we expand this, we will get x plus b over 2a, but because the formula requires us to have minus b over 2a for h itself, hence why I wrote a minus out, right? And this is the formula for k. So we now have, so let's say we want to find, let me get a question. So let's say we have a question with y is equal to x squared minus 10x plus 25 is equal to minus 16 plus 25. Of course, we know right off the bat you can solve for this, right? But I just wanted to bring a little variation because this topic is quite simple. So we have y is equal to x squared minus 10x. So we know minus 16 plus 25 is 9. And we bring that across here. So just be minus 9 plus 25, which will just be positive 16. And when we input it inside this formula, we will have y is equal to, a is equal to 1, b is equal to negative 10, and c is equal to 16, of course. We will have a, which in this case will be 1, come on, right, 1 into x, into x minus b over 2a, which will be negative 10 over, it will be negative 10. So we have a negative here from the question itself, right? And we have a negative from the question itself. Sorry, from the formula itself. So we have minus b over 2a. So we have negative 10 from the minus 10 here over 2a, which in this case will be 2 into 1. Right? We close on that, put the square. Plus 4, a which is 1, c which is, in this case, 16, minus b squared, which we know b is negative 10 squared, all over 4 by a which is 1. So now let's carry it to the top. Now when we simplify this, we have simple 1, which we can leave out, of course. And when we deal with this brackets here, we'll have x minus, and well, we have a negative, which will make it a positive, 10 divided by 2, which is 5, right? And we have all squared for this, And when we multiply this out and simplify it, it will be 4 multiplied by 16, which is 64, right? Minus 100 all over 4, which should imply y is equal to x minus 5 all square. We can put a 1 if we want, plus 64 minus 100, which is equal to negative 36 divided by 4, which will give us negative 9. And that's it. So we have y is equal to x minus 5 all square is equal to negative 9. So just to go over, we are given the formula, right? And we are given the, what we can do is we can input it. So we know h is equal to minus b over 2a and k is equal to 4ac minus b squared over 4a, right? And we are given the question, and they ask us to complete the square of this question. Find the quadratic function expressed into this form here, right? So we do that, and then we simplify by putting in all the variables. A is equal to 1, b is equal to negative 10, c is equal to 16, positive 16. And we input it in the formula, and you will have y is equal to x minus 5 all square minus 9. And that's it. There's one more thing. Okay, yeah, there's one more thing I would like to show you all though. So let's say we want to find the vertex form, right? The vertex is simply h comma k, right? So yeah, so in this case it would have been the h, which would be negative 5, right? Yeah, which will be negative 5, and k, which is negative 9, right? That's just something to note. So now I want to show one more thing. I haven't really seen this in the previous years, well, most recent years I should say, right? But I would still like to show it because it's quite important still. This is basically finding the roots when it's difficult to find. So, roots. So let's say we're given x is equal, so this is basically the formula. X is equal to minus b plus or minus b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. And that's it, right? We input what is b, a, c, and of course e. This will give us an answer where x is equal to something and x is equal to something, an answer, right? You can use the same example previously and find the roots, right? But I wouldn't go through that now, right? So this is a pretty short video. I will be moving on to the next topic, but this is functions for now, right? And I'm your tutor, Jordan Jaffa, for Prism Caribbean Math. It was a wonderful session, nice short video, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video to come. Take care.